let me put it this way that so let's understand chemically what is ethanol. So chemically ethanol is a carbon chain 2, that is C2H5OH, whereas the petrol that you are using is somewhere much higher in the range between C8 to C10 or C12. So for every molecule of petrol burnt versus every molecule of ethanol burnt, the CO2 levels will be necessarily lesser. Now, ethanol also has a very high octane number. So if it is put to good use by the automotive manufacturers, you can gain a certain advantage of that. And that is exactly the E85 platform, where OEMs have changed the compression ratio of the vehicles to ensure that the good part of ethanol is coming to you. Ethanol is highly emission friendly, which means when you burn ethanol, you would end up with maybe about 50 or 50% more or lesser greenhouse gas emissions. So overall ethanol is good. Now the concerns of the people are, obviously ethanol has a lower mileage. So it has 30% less mileage in the chemical form. But who says that petrol is burnt so cleanly, positively, and every one of us knows what is the ideal mileage which is shown in the booklet and what we do. It is also dependent on individual habits. I would only put to you saying that as an individual, even if I'm also owning a car or a two-wheeler, as an individual I should look ethanol in a positive way because it's very, very emission friendly. And this is something which is very critical for the next generation.